Inserting a calendar symbol in Microsoft Excel is a great way to visually flag deadlines or date-specific entries, since there is not a calendar key on your keyboard, so you can use these reliable methods. So if you want to use a straightforward method, then click on the insert and click on the symbol and click on the symbols. And in the font section, you need to select Segoe UI Symbol, and now in the character code you need to type 1F4C5 and hit enter, and your cursor will be routed to the calendar symbol. Just need to select it and click insert to paste it and close it. Yeah. There is another method. You need to press the window key and semicolon key all together. Click on the search icon and type calendar, and here you can see different calendar. You can select any of them and close it. If you want to make it red, then go to the home, and so if you want to insert high quality vector graphics that behaves like images but can be placed near cells, for this you need to click on the insert and click on the illustrations and click on the icons. And in the search icon you need to type calendar, and here it is. You just need to select it, click insert. So you can then resize it to fit precisely perfectly inside next to your cells, like this one, and you can move anywhere in the cell. You can even rotate it from here. So if you want the symbol to appear automatically next to the date, you can use a formula to combine them. For example, if your date is in the cell A1, first you need to copy the calendar symbol by Ctrl C, and now head to the cells, put the equal sign, double quote, and Ctrl V to paste that calendar symbol, space, double quote, space, ampersand, space, type text, open the brackets, select the cell's reference, comma, space, double quote, type for the months, backslash, 2 times D for days, backslash, and 4 times Y for years, double quote, and close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can see that. There is another autocorrect method. For this you need to copy the calendar symbol and then click on the file, click on the more, click on the options, and click on the proofing, click on the auto correction options. So in the replace box, type a shortcut like CAL, and in the with box you need to paste the calendar symbol by Ctrl V, and click add, click OK, and click OK. So whenever you type CAL and hit enter, it will convert into the calendar symbol. Moreover, there is another method which is the unichar formula. If you want the symbol to appear based on a calculation or just prefer using formula, you can use the Unicode character code for a calendar. For this you need to type, put the equal sign, unichar, open the bracket, type 128197, close the bracket, hit enter. So this generates the standard tier of calendar icon. However, if you want the spiral calendar, then you need to use the code 128198 and hit enter. So with these way you can easily insert calendar symbol in Excel cell. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.